Poor inventory visibility, misplaced assets, and inefficient tracking systems cost organizations millions every year. Studies show that RFID technology can improve inventory accuracy by up to 95%, yet many businesses fail to achieve these results due to a lack of expertise in deploying and managing RFID systems effectively. From healthcare and retail to logistics and manufacturing, organizations struggle with tracking assets in real time, reducing errors, and improving operational efficiency. The root cause is often a poor understanding of RFID components, system design, security, and maintenance requirements. The RFID Technology and Applications course provides practical knowledge to help professionals understand, implement, and optimize RFID solutions across various industries. Through real-world case studies and hands-on learning, participants discover how RFID improves asset tracking, inventory management, automation, and digital transformation initiatives. As RFID continues to power the future of smart operations, and Industry 4.0 professionals with the right skills will be better equipped to drive efficiency and innovation. Enroll today and gain the expertise needed to succeed in the RFID-driven world.